The Book module in Spyker Workplace Platform GemX Engine assists you in setting up complex booking rules for your resources. This includes activation and expiry dates of rules, which will assist you in forward planning. You can relax with peace of mind that users are able to book resources they need to by implementing rules that consider upcoming changes to your spaces. As you can see, you already have a booking rule in place for meeting rooms for your building, with settings in place such as fixed time periods and booking limits to enforce how and when users can book spaces. You have some building work being carried out on the 3rd floor of your building for the month of August. All meeting rooms will be getting renovated and kitted out with new equipment. The work will be finished on the 31st of August, meaning employees in your building are able to use these spaces again on the 1st of September. You want to have a rule in place that means users cannot book these spaces during the time of renovations, but are able to make bookings and use the space again on the 1st of September. To do this, we need to create a restriction on the original booking rule using the Restrict button that sits on the right-hand side of the rule. When this button has been selected, we can specify the location, users, and point types that we want the rule to be restricted for. We will narrow down the scope to the 3rd floor so that booking is only restricted where the renovations are taking place. We can also create a date range for when booking is restricted. As mentioned, the work is being carried out during the month of August, so we will create a restriction and input the dates for when we want to restrict booking for. Being able to configure these complex booking restrictions allows you to control when your spaces can and cannot be booked, allowing for forward planning of renovations or changes within your building.